Hi, this instrument called as pager. It is a wireless communication device used to receive messages. It was mainly used before mobile phones become common. It's also called as a beeper, pager or beeper. It alerts the user by sound or deep sound, vibration or light. Each pager had its own number. When someone wanted to contact a person, they they dialed the pager number directly or through customer care. The message was sent through radio signal. The pager received it and it's alerted the user. It can send two types of messages, numeric, like on the phone number, displaying only the phone number, and another alphanumeric, like short messages. I mean later models. Pager cannot send replies, only receiving the messages, only receive messages. Usually, it was used only VIPs because it is reliable, worked in low network areas, and also long battery life. Pagers were most popular during 1980s and 1990s. After the introduction of mobile phone and messaging devices like BlackBerry, pager usage decreased. Mobile phones allow two-way communication, instant replies, so pagers slowly become outdated. Pagers played an important role in early wireless communication before the rise of mobile phones. Now it's history. Thank you for watching.